Now the sixth question is, we are given the sequence of real numbers defined as u1, it is 1, and un plus 1, it is un plus 1 upon un for all n greater than or equal to 1. Now if we find u2 is going to be 1 plus 1, it will be this 2. u3 it will be 2 plus 1 by 2, 2.5. So any ui, it will always be greater than or equal to 2 when I is greater than or equal to 2. Because we are adding something to un and it is clearly an increasing function. Now what we are going to do is, we are going to write this as un plus 1 square will be un square plus 1 upon un square plus 2, or un plus 1 square minus un square will be equal to 2 plus 1 upon un square. And this is the iterative relation we are going to use for our telescopic summation. Since we need un, we are not going to start with n plus 1, we have to start with un. So we can write un square minus un minus 1 square will be 2 plus 1 upon un minus 1 square. Next one will be un minus 1 square minus un minus 2 square, and there will be 2 plus 1 upon un minus 2 square, and will continue up to u2 square minus un square, and there will be 2 plus 1 upon u1 square. Now if we add all of them, then these successive terms they'll cancel, so we can write un square minus u1 square, and here this is 2 plus 2 plus 2, and it is from 1 to n minus 1, n minus 1 times, so there will be 2 n minus 1, and plus this is 1 upon u1 square plus 1 upon u2 square up to 1 upon un minus 1 square. Now u1 is 1, so this is 1, so we can write un square minus 1, and here will be this 2n minus 2 plus, now this u1 square again will be this 1, and this u2 square, u3 square, and un minus 1 square, we know that any ui is greater than 2 when I is greater than or equal to 2. So 1 upon ui will be less than or equal to 1 upon 2, or 1 upon ui square will be less than or equal to 1 by 4 for any I greater than or equal to 2. So for all these terms from 2 to n minus 1, we can write this summation I varies from 2 to n minus 1, 1 upon ui square, it will be less than or equal to, now this is 2n minus 2 plus 1 and plus, now this is 1 by 4, 1 by 4, 1 by 4, n minus 2 times, so it will be this n minus 2 by 4. So we'll take this one on the right hand side. So this 1, 1 and 2 will cancel. So we can write un square will be less than or equal to, now this is 2n plus n minus 2 by 4, or we can write un square is less than, now this is 9n minus 2 by 4, now this 9n minus 2 by 4 will be less than 9n by 4. If we take square root both sides, we can write this un, it will be less than 3 by 2 under root n, and which is what we need to prove in this question.